This is an important phase of the project as we're now in the last stage of the construction of the bridge. We get the sheaths are going up, the last couple of sheaths go up over the next few days. And then we'll start inserting the cables inside. Once they're inside, we're going to start tensioning those cables to support the bridge deck.
We started to lift the stay pipes a couple of weeks ago. We are lifting 2 to 3 pipes per day. We are lifting the stay pipe with the first strand already inside the pipe. It went up, we secure it to the pylon. We are putting the strand inside the pylon and secure it on the anchor. Once all the pipes will be up, it will be to fill them with the proper amount of strands.
We'll then be able to put the paving and lights and all the pedestrian rails and everything, the dressing of the bridge will be complete. We are on course to finish, and the opening date remains spring 2018, and I'm sure people will enjoy travelling on this bridge.